Hola, my people. Okay, today, you know what we're gonna do? I'm so excited to show you. We are unboxing DHG Tempura Extra Fine Merino Wool Top Slivers. Oh, it's been so much fun that I was like, I must show them the joy. Okay, so I already opened it, obviously. I started playing with it because it's so much fun. So, but it comes to you, it comes sealed, rock solid and vacuum packed in a container like this. Now, it felt like, some of you know I used to sell soles, shoe soles, like big honking giant soles for boots. It felt like that when the FedEx guy came. FedEx came this time instead of DHL. Used to be DHL came for anything that I got from DHG SHOP because they're in Italy. So you can go onto their website, DH Shop It. It's like IT for Italy, and .com, and you can shop, and it'll all be in Italian. So just click the British flag, and it'll translate it into English, or you can have Google translate it for you. But you can buy directly from them, and I hand to God, it'll get to you in about, well, less than 2 weeks, like 8 days. It's fantastic. It's just like, you know, I'm kind of here in, I'm in Illinois, so kind of the Midwest. If I order something from California, I mean, sometimes it'll take longer to get to me from California than it does to get to DHG, because DHG gets it out like lightning, like Amazon fast. They're super fast. I get a special deal from them. I have a wholesale deal. I don't really sell it per se. I hoard it for myself. I might sell it in the future if I want to end up going back to the post office again, but I love their stuff. Okay, so you want to see it? This is the Champs Elise color. And I was like, oh, first I want to turn it into yarn. But oh, wouldn't this be fantastic to use in Nuno felting? Look at all of these colors. And it just goes on and on and on. Oh, Christy, what could you do with all? Oh my goodness. It's so incredibly soft. As only extra fine merino can be. What do we mean by extra fine merino? Well, you know, merino has a range based on the age of the sheep and the quality, and even its diet can impact how fine the fiber is. But this fiber is so fine, you guys. Oh, it's so wispy, and it's super long stapled. And so we're talking about maybe like 16 microns. It's like as fine as alpaca. It's good alpaca. I mean, there is lesser fine alpaca that's usually used for like shoe inserts and stuff like that. But anyways, do you want to see what it's turning into? You do, don't you? Say you do. You know you do. Okay, ready? Here's my spinning wheel. It turns into this. Oh my goodness, what a Christy Day, what a lovely bit of yarn. Why, thank you. Thank you, viewer. So, you know, obviously, I start out right here. I go into my, into the orifice there, and I spin it. Oh, would you like to see? Oh, I would be happy to show you. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, don't get too jealous. I know some of you who spin are like, I want some of that yarn. Oh, it's so nice. Let me get it all ready to go for you. Did I mess up my tension? No, I don't think I did. Here, let's see. Let's see. My tension is right. Suck it up. So here we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it just spins like a dream. I spin on the fold. Okay. What does that mean, Christy? I don't spin. I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, what that means is, you know how there's an end and an end on your roving? I fold it in half and go from the center because it's easier for me to not get stuck at the edge. And then I get these nice color combinations. I don't know if you can see. Am I able? Oh, I think I can zoom in if I go like this. Let's see. You see how it's swirling right here? Ah, yes, it's kind of making sort of a barber pole. Well, that it's easier to do that if you are going on a fold. So that's what I do. And then you can end up with some really fantastic, let me get this into your view, some fantastic multicolored yarn. So, and it's variegated, you know, obviously, because it's coming out with all these different colors. So as one bleeds into the next, you get that sort of barbershop pulled thing. So let me take it off of here to undo the tension. Take off the little band. Well, back out for you. Sorry about my hand. Yeah. So take this out. And voila. Isn't that the coolest? Oh, so I've got oranges in there and browns, and you know, it's all still on the spool, so you don't get to see all of the. Well, here's some intense color. See how it's intense over here? Oh, I love it so much. So that, my friends, is a little review on the DHG Tempura collection, extra fine merino silver wool top. I love it so much. I really can't even. It's gonna be so much fun to play with. So much fun. So if you are like me and you are maybe slightly, moderately addicted to luscious, beautiful wool, look at it. Even has a great sheen, and there's no silk in there. It's all 100% merino. Lovely, lovely merino. Anyway, I highly recommend them. They do sell everything too. I mean, they sell, let me back you up a little bit because I don't want to have to go like that again. They do sell, maybe I should though, because it's probably grainy. Oh, whatever. Anyway, they do sell every type of fiber known to mankind. You know, all different types of wool. They sell, they do sell alpaca. They do sell cellulose fibers like cotton and hemp and bamboo and of course all kinds of silks and just everything. So I'm gonna have fun. Maybe they sent me a little tester box of all their fibers so I can feel them and play with them. Maybe I'll do one of those for you too. Let me know. Put it in the comments if you want to see the other fibers that they do. So much fun. Anyways, talk to you later. Bye-bye.